Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the divisibility of a number by another number. The first step in this rule is to find the number of the nearest multiple of this number in the next digit. For example, if you have a double digit number, for example, let's say 21, we must find the nearest number to the 100, which is the next digit of this number. So we can use this rule. The nearest number is let's see, in the calculator. 21. The first number we have is 84, and obviously the next number is 105. So if you want to find the divisibility for a number, if you want to know that any number is divisible into one, first of all, we must find that this number difference from the 100. This difference is minus 16 from 100, and this number is plus 5 from 100. So if the number is above 100, then we will make minus, and if the number is below 100, like this 84, then we will add, and we will add 16 to each multiple. Let's see how. Let's find first any number that is divisible by 21. Yes, this number, for example, 1365. The first step is to take every first three numbers, multiply this number either by the opposite sign of this, which is negative 16, opposite which will be positive 16. You multiply it here by this one, and add it to the next two numbers, which is the 36, or you can change the sign of this one and make it negative, and also multiply by one button and make plus, or you can leave the signs and make minus, but I will use plus more. So if we make 1 multiply 16 plus 36, this will give us what? We'll cancel these two numbers, and this will give us 52, and we will bring up this number 5, and then we will multiply the 16. We do the same steps again. Multiply this 5 by the 16, which will give us 80. We will add it to 5, which will give us 100, which will give us 105, and 105 is divisible by 21, which means that this whole number, which is 1365, is divisible by 21. Let's take another number. For example, 21 multiply, yes, this number, 172641. Let's take the first three numbers, the 172, multiplied by either the 16 and make plus, or multiply it either by the 5 and make it minus. I will multiply by 16 and make plus. We will multiply this by 16, make plus to the 72. This will give us 88. Then we will bring up the 6, do the same steps again. 8 multiply 16, and add it to the 86. This will give us this will give us 128. We will add it to the 86, Calculating. This will give us 314. So this will give us 314. Sorry, 214. Sorry, because I again didn't take the 214 here and take the other numbers. 6 for 1 down. And we will continue. 2 multiply 16 plus 14. This will give us what? This will give us 46. And we will bring up this 6. So we will do the steps again for this number. 466. We multiply 4 by 32 and add it to the 66, sorry. And we'll continue. 4 multiply 16, this will give us 64 plus the 66, this will give us 130. And we will continue. 1 multiply this will give us this will give us 46. And we will bring up this 4. It will be like this. 4 and take 6, 4. This will be 128. Add this up. It will be 64 plus 64, which will give us 128. And the 1 is still down, this one. Here. 128, we will add 16 to this number. It will give us this will give you 544 and this 1. And we will multiply the 4 by 9, which will give us 64. With the 64 plus 41, multiply here this by 16, this will give us what? 105. So 105 is the final answer, and 105 is divisible by 21. So this means that all this expression, this number, the 172641, is all divisible by 21. Let's take another number, not 21, let's take like maybe 37. Let's see. This number. Let's see the first, the two numbers nearest to the 100 for the 37, which is obviously multiply 3. Yes, 111 and also and 74. These are the nearest numbers to the 100 from 37. I will use and I will find the difference. This from 100. This difference is plus 11 and this one is minus 26. So I will use the multiply 11 because 26 it will be hard. So let's use and we will minus 11. So let's use this. 8 multiply 11. This will give us 88. And 88 we will minus it from this 88. This will give us 0. If you get 0 or any number divisible by its inverse, this means this number is surely divisible by 37. Yeah, if you get 0, this means that the number is divisible, or any other number that is divisible. Let's take another easy number, like for example 7. Yes, 7 here. We will take and the nearest two numbers to 7 are 98 and 105. And it's 105 like 21 obviously. Here it's definitely 21 because they are both divisible by 7. So let's take any number divisible by 7, like this number 3 6. Here you can do the same, like multiply this by the difference here 2 and add, or multiply by 5 then make minus. So here I will use minus 2 because this is obviously very easy. Let's use, we will multiply this number by 2, add it to the next two numbers. So this will give us 42, which is divisible by 7. So the next important point we will discuss is the divisibility of 3-digit or more numbers. For example, let's begin with an easy number, like for example 101. For example, let's take any number divisible by 8, like for example like 8 9 8 9. In this case, the difference between a single digit number, double digit number is that this time we take the numbers after it depending on the digit of the number of itself. For example, 101 is a 3-digit number, so this means after the first number, the 8, we will take 3-digit numbers. So we'll take all the expression and we will multiply this by the nearest number to the 1000, which is 1010. We will multiply it by 10 and then minus. So the multiply 8 by 10 and minus it on this expression, minus. This will give us what? This will give us 909. And to know if numbers are under the 1000 that are divisible to the first number, you can add 0, then make the same steps. Make this number multiplied by 10, then minus it to the next two numbers. This will give us what? 0 0. Yes, like we said before, if the number is 0 or if the result is 0 or a number divisible by 8, so it means that the number is still divisible. So let's take a number a bit harder, like for example 100. Here 128. We'll see the nearest number to 1000, which is obviously 1000. No, wait. The next numbers are 152 and 1024. No, this one cancelled, sorry. This number is very high. And 896. 8. Obviously we will use the first one because here the difference is only 24, which is much smaller than this one, because here the difference is 100, 200, no, I mean, sorry, yeah, 104. Here the difference is 104. Here the difference is 24. 24 plus 1000 and 104 below 1000. So we will use the 24 and let's find any number. Yeah, like this. 1 1 1 3 6. Yes, we will take the next three numbers, multiply the first by 24 and minus it to the next 3. So this will give us what? We will make minus. This will give us like 89 6. Yes. Yeah, 89. And we will bring up the 6. Do the same. 8 times 24. We will add here 0 because we don't have 3-digit number, so we'll add here 0. So we will make 8 multiply 24 and minus it to the 960. Yeah, this will give us 192. We will minus it to the 160, to 960. This will give us this will give us 768. To know still the number divisible, add 0. To know, we don't still know the number if it's divisible by 128 or no. We will make 7 multiply 24 minus it to the 680. This will equal 168. We will minus it to the 680. So this will give us oh, sorry, my finger. So this will number minus it by 168. This will give us 512. The answer after making the steps of divisibility must be it must be less than this number. Must be less. So we will continue. 5 times 24. This is 120. Minus it to the 120. This will give us 0 0. So this means all this expression 1136 is divisible by 128. Let's take a number that's more hard. For example, let's take 624. Yeah. As the numbers get higher, the divisibility will be harder because the numbers will get high and the minus and the multiplication will all be hard. So the nearest number is 1248. This is the only one. There is no other number. So this means we will add 248 to the numbers. This number is 248 above 1000. So let's take a number divided by 624. Yeah, this number 8736. 8 we will multiply by 248. Well, this one is really hard, so we will multiply 8 by 248 with the I calculated. Yeah, this will equal 1984. We will minus 1984 by this number. Yes, this multiply, then this will equal 1984. So 1984 minus 736 this will equal what? Yeah, this one will equal what? 10248, and this is the number we used for the calculated divisibility. So this number is definitely divisible by 624, and so on. If you continue to add, if you want to know the divisibility for digit number, it will of course be hard, but it still can be done. This rule is mostly efficient in single digit or double digit numbers, but when the numbers get high, it's like another option. It's not harder, but it's like another option instead of dividing and see if you will have a decimal or no. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this rule has helped you in divisibility. And this rule denies what people say, that not every number has a rule of divisibility. Well, actually, not every number has a rule of divisibility, but every number works on this rule, and you yourself can try it. Yeah, you can try it and see if this number, if this method helped you or division helped you. And I hope this method helped you more than division, and I hope you use it, and thanks for watching.